Sometimes life puts us at such a juncture, where every path seems blurred, every dream unfulfilled, and every hope broken. At such a moment the heart says, no more. But friends, this is the moment when the real war begins. This is the time when the great people of the world turn back. This is the moment when defeat can be turned into victory. Remember, your tiredness, the tears in your eyes, your hard work, all this will not go in vain. Every falling step is making you stronger. Every broken dream is teaching you a new skill. You are a story that the world has not read yet. The light of your success is just one more attempt away. Yes, just one more step, just one more prayer, just one more struggle. So don't give up today. Give your dreams one more chance today, because those who love their dreams, the universe also helps them remember. You are not a loser. You are just on your journey to victory. So get up, groom yourself, and show the